Hi, Justin here again. Just want to talk to you today about the market update. So what we're seeing is Brisbane didn't match the big improvements that were seen in Sydney and Melbourne you might have heard about in the press. So Sydney was up by a massive 15.7% and Melbourne was up by 10.9% in for this year up until March. So we are seeing signs of a rejuvenated market for sure. Brisbane house prices were still up 6.1% year to date up until March, according to the ABS. So what we have seen is the market did slow down a little bit in Brisbane from about April. So from a seller's perspective, we're still seeing a lack of stock. So if you are thinking of selling, it would be a good time to consider coming to market. While metro-wide numbers showed only moderate growth, the right properties in the right suburbs are still in hot demand. We are still seeing some sight unseen purchasing and some price improvements in the inner middle suburbs around that Stafford area on the north side. They were up about 7% in the last quarter. From a buyer's perspective, we're seeing existing buyers that didn't see value are really scrutinising pricing at the moment. There's still heaps of buyers, but there's not enough to really stimulate prices at the moment. So the advice we've got for buyers at the moment, if you've been in the market for a while, you're going to need to adjust to the increases in prices. From a seller's perspective, you just need to consider the type of buyers that you are dealing with in the marketplace. But from a seller's perspective, if you do price well, you should be under contract still within about a 2 to 6 week period, which is great news. Thanks for listening, and I hope the market updates helped.